Arrive in style with this 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche LS. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: differential heavy-duty locking rear, integrated trailer brake, rear-view camera system, rear-wheel drive, tow hitch, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels and luggage rack. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.